Here we are, really close to an elephant, and it's following us. Oh my gosh, we're scared because we're afraid it's going to charge. But it's getting... Oh, Andrew. Andrew, can I duck down in?
I don't want to duck down.
Oh my gosh.
She's just trying to get us to leave.
We're leaving.
Andrew, I do trust you. I trust you.
The baby is coming toward us too.
Oh my gosh. That was scary.
Don't forget your daughter is here too.
She's still walking.
Look at the baby putting dust on her.
Oh my gosh. Abby, can I come in? Please let me come in.
Andrew,
This is so cool. I want to be here.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry, Andrew. I really do trust you. It's just my fear is overtaking me right now. I think it's Adeline. She's doing it to me.
Oh my gosh.
Blocking the road.
No. What are you doing?
Blocking the road.
Oh my gosh, here comes the baby.
And the food. I just think this is so funny.
I'm so terrified right now.
And this is the day we all died. At least it's more impressive than a swan.
My hands are shaking right now.
Don't worry, we already passed 2 ambulances.
This is why, because they all died by elephant attack.
Okay, I think I'll turn it off. We'll take it. We're alive. It's so close. Okay, it's time for the video.